Planning an office move in Livermore, California? Whether you're relocating locally or across the country, understanding the costs and services available is crucial. Let's explore what you need to know. Office moving costs in Livermore vary based on several factors. On average, local office moves start at $125 per hour, encompassing both labor and transportation. Nationwide relocations typically range between $2,400 and $2,900, while international moves require customized quotes due to the myriad factors involved. Several elements impact your moving expenses. Office size. Larger offices require more time and resources. Distance. Longer distances increase transportation costs. Additional services. Packing, storage, and specialty items add to the price. Timing. Moves during peak seasons or weekends may cost more. Livermore offers a variety of office moving services to suit your needs. Full-service moves. Comprehensive services covering packing, loading, and transportation. Labor-only moves. Hiring movers to assist with loading and unloading your rental truck. Specialty moves. Handling items like lab equipment or sensitive documents. Consider these reputable office moving companies in Livermore. All-Star Movers and Storage offers detailed office relocation planning, secure packing, and minimal downtime for your business operations. 925 Movers provides full-service moving with a focus on customer satisfaction and transparent pricing. Lake Movers specializes in commercial moves, including office, warehouse, and retail transitions. To keep costs down, declutter before you pack. Reduce the volume of items to move. Book midweek. Avoid weekend premiums. Compare quotes. Obtain estimates from multiple companies. Plan ahead. Schedule your move during off-peak seasons. By understanding moving costs and planning ahead, you can ensure a smooth and affordable office move in Livermore. Thanks for watching. For more moving tips and advice, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon.